Good day, ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Ma. In our previous 2 episodes in this series, we looked at the Norwegian Sovereign Wealth Fund, the best performing sovereign wealth fund in the world. Recently, the Norway Sovereign Wealth Fund posted a 84 billion United States dollars, 112 billion Singapore dollars quarterly profit, and it has been posting positive annual relative returns since 2009. From our analysis, we found that the Norwegian Sovereign Wealth Fund closely follows the diversification strategy. We were able to do this because all investments made by the Norwegian Sovereign Wealth Fund are transparent and publicly available on its website, regardless of whether one is a Norwegian citizen. In contrast, it was recently reported that Singapore's sovereign wealth fund, Temasek Holdings, lost 7.3 billion Singapore dollars for the financial year 2023. Temasek revealed that its net portfolio value went down 5.2% from the previous year's 403 Singapore dollars to 382 billion Singapore dollars. It also reported a 1-year total shareholder return of -5.07%. Temasek only releases consolidated accounts which do not disclose the flow of funds between subsidiary investments. Furthermore, not all of its investments are listed on its website. Last year, Temasek's decision to invest in crypto firm FTX led to a write-down of over 275 million United States dollars, about 369 million Singapore dollars, in November 2022. Suffice to say, the huge amount of losses shows that nobody in Temasek knew what they were investing in. Temasek even had the cheek to say in their press release, "As an investor owner seeking sustainable returns over the long term, we believe that we have to invest in new sectors and emerging, nascent business models to understand the applications and impact they may have on the business and financial models of our existing portfolio, or be drivers for future value in an ever-changing world. This is why we invest in early-stage companies and accept the binary risks associated with such investments." Quote, "What the fork? This is the first time that Professor Ma has ever heard an investment company use the phrase, 'we believe that.' In the field of investment analysis, the word, believe, is a feeble word. Temasek uses the word, believe, because they do not have evidence to prove their point. They use the word, believe, because they do not have sufficient reason to convince others. They use the word, believe, because they dare not use the word, think. So why did Temasek's investment strategy go wrong? Based on the analysis of publicly available information, Professor Ma thinks that Temasek uses the reckless lottery strategy for investment. Temasek's investment strategy went wrong because Temasek's idea of investment seems to be equivalent to going to the nearest Singapore Pools outlet to bet on the latest faddish number. Professor Ma is a very fair person, hence I am giving everyone in Temasek Holdings an opportunity to defend the Temasek Holdings name. Yes, you can prove Professor Ma wrong by returning the 275 million United States dollars that you idiots lost investing in FTX. If anyone in Temasek does that, Professor Ma will issue a public apology to Temasek Holdings. In subsequent videos, Professor Ma will explain more aspects of life. In the meantime, please help by liking and by subscribing. Thank you.